Aloha, and welcome to the Big Island of Hawaii. I'm Stella Sedona, and today I'm going to be making a charcuterie board to pair with this lovely red wine we have. There are so many different ways to make a charcuterie board. Today I'm going to be making one that is primarily cheese and fruit focused. So let me show you what I brought so that we can start making your board together. For my cheeses today, I wanted to have a mix of soft and hard cheeses because I think that always makes for a little bit more interesting board. The first cheese I'll start with today is this lovely triple brie. It's from California, but it's a French style cheese and one of my favorites. This is the most interesting of the cheeses that I got. It's a semi-hard goat cheese that was dipped in red wine, and it's all the way from Spain, so I'm really excited to try this one. And finally, I have a classic cheddar cheese because you can't go wrong. And I always like to have something on the board that everybody's gonna like. So I got a simple smooth cheddar from Wisconsin. This is the fun part where I get to place all the things on the board to make it look cute. Put this here, the cheddar here. To balance out the cheeses, I wanted to add a little bit of fruit that'll give a tart and refreshing balance to our board. So I picked out a couple things for us. I think Honeycrisp apples are a really easy element that you can add to the board that I just had in my fridge. I like to slice them really thin. All right, I'm gonna add these apples to the board and make them cute, of course. Sometimes I have to replace items just so they look cuter. Perfect. Let's see what else we have in our basket. Oh, yes. These are dried tart cherries, which I think will be really fun. I like to always balance out the fruits with one that's dried, just to give it a different texture. Add some here, and some over here too. And I have some salami that I'm gonna add to the board. This one's pre-sliced, which typically I would like slice it myself, but this is all they had at the store. So I will do for now. And some salami there. It's okay. It's okay. Like, how can I make it cuter? It's good enough. We're aiming for deliciousness, not perfection. Of course, we have to have some crackers on our board. I really like these. They're an almond flour, so they're a little bit different and also gluten-free. Just place these in the middle of the board here. Need a few more. Excellent. And now for the fun ingredients. I picked up a couple of local Hawaiian ingredients that I am super excited to try, including these macadamia nuts from the Ahaloa family farm, and they have some garlic flavor on them, of course, because I love garlic. Uh-oh. All right. Last but not least, this is the one I'm most excited about. I got some edible flowers. These are from a local farm, and I think they're mostly pansies, but they're super colorful and pretty. I'm just gonna place these all over to make it really pretty. And just wherever I feel like one would look good. This makes it feel very tropical to me. Should we try one? It doesn't really taste like anything. It's a little bitter. No. But they're cool looking. Okay, perfect. Oh, one more big one. Yes. And now for the most important part. We have our lovely wine to pair with our charcuterie board. So today we have a lovely red wine. The grape is a Frappato, which is grown primarily in Sicily. It's very light-bodied and will be served ideally slightly chilled. Even though it's a red wine, it'll be absolutely lovely. And very light tannins in this, so I think it will pair perfectly with our charcuterie board. Panties flying everywhere. We have created an absolutely lovely and well-balanced charcuterie board, and I cannot wait to dive into this and have a little glass of wine. Thank you so much for joining me today and making a lovely charcuterie board here on the Big Island of Hawaii. So I hope you join me on my next adventures, so make sure you like and subscribe. And without any further ado, I poured you a glass of wine to join me.
Cheers.
Cheers. Yes. Oh, it's so good. Yum. We'll see you next time.